In verse 4, we are in Luke chapter 5. In verse 4, Jesus has said, launch out into the deep and let down your nets for a catch. And what has Peter replied? Although he's obedient, although he's saying, Lord, I'm tired, I've worked hard all night, and it's difficult for me, but I will do it. But he said, at your word, I will let down the net for a catch. Not nets, the net. He does not know, because what is stopping Peter from letting down the nets? When the passage started, they were doing what? They were washing their nets. So there are nets available, and he should have taken his friend's nets as well. Maybe he has more nets as well. They're washing the nets, but he's just taken one net. Why is he taken one net? What is stopping him from taking more nets? His circumstances, his past experience. What he himself has said, I worked hard all night, I've toiled all night. So he's not expecting a blessing, and many a times we do not receive a blessing because we do not expect a blessing. We are not ready for a blessing. We are not thinking that we are going to receive a blessing. Life is going to continue as it is. The life is going to be very hard. Life is going to be difficult, and we are going to be in this cycle. We are going to be in this rat race. We are just going to be working hard to pay our bills and to take care of our children, our families, and it's going to be very hard. It's going to be very difficult. And we have accepted defeat, and we have accepted that this is how life is going to be, and we are not expecting a miracle. Like Peter is not expecting a miracle. That's why he is not taken. Let's in the next verse, in verse 6, and it says that, and when they had not done this, they caught so many fish that the net was breaking. Not the nets were breaking, the net was breaking. So we see in verse 6 that he has taken just the net. And what is hindering Peter from taking nets is his own limiting mindset. And this is our issue as well, and this is our problem as well, that we have a limiting mindset. We have a limited mindset. We look at our circumstances, and our circumstances dictate our emotions, and our emotions lead us into poor actions, and poor actions lead us into poor results, and poor results lead us into mundane, into ordinary, into not a really abundant life. And Jesus has said in John 10 verse 10, a thief does not come to steal, destroy and kill, but I have come that you may have life, and that you may have it abundantly. What is hindering, what is stopping us from having an abundant life is not the enemy, is not even our not well wishers, it's not the other people, it's not the people who are against us, it's not even the circumstances, it's not even the difficulties, it's not even the finances, it's not even the marital problems, it's not even the health problems. It is our own mindset. We are not expectant of miracle, but if we say, Lord, I shall come out of this, bless me, oh Lord, take me out of this, it shall come to pass. We do not live a life of faith. And what is the life of faith? The life of faith, the faith life is a substance, it's a proof, it's an evidence of things unseen. It's a substance of faith, is a substance of things hoped for. It's an evidence of things not seen. So when I hope for good, because the Lord is going to do good in my life, good will happen. You see, it is so much connected to our actions. Peter is going to be redeemed from his actions. He's going to be redeemed. But many times we are not redeemed. Our own limiting mindset is not allowing us to receive a blessing, an immense blessing. It's not allowing us to receive an immense blessing. We have to change our mindset. My name is Alan Diwan, and I've been a restaurateur for 25 years. But the Lord has called me to preach the gospel now. Thus, if you have enjoyed this clip from this video, Do please share, subscribe, and like this video. And if you want to see the whole Bible study, click on this video on your right over here, and you can see the whole Bible study. Or if you would like to see another clip from this Bible study, click on this video over here on your left, and you can see that video. Thank you very much. God bless you.